Friends, I've had a lot of you ask if I could do a fabric tumbler, so here we go. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So I have a tumbler from Michael's and some fabric, and we're going to start by wiping down our tumbler, then we're going to sand it, and then we're going to wipe it down again. I'm using rubbing alcohol. Then we're going to measure our cup. You could. I don't. I never measure my cup, I'll be honest with you. But I'm just showing you here how you'd measure it. I typically put my cup down in my fabric, roll it, and eyeball how much I need. I know. And then I trim it after. However you're going to do it, cut out your fabric. Here we go. Got it, right? Now I'm using Crystalax products, which this is glitter glue, and I'm going to cover the cup with some glitter glue. Now this is a makeup brush that I'm using, and then I'm going to put on the fabric. And you just want to make sure that you get it on really flat. Should I have ironed my fabric? Yes. You noticed that? I know you did. It's fine. It worked out in the end, but you probably would want to iron yours. Get it nice and flat. Make sure that your edges all meet. You'll see here, yes, I messed up measuring. It's okay. It works out in the end, but yeah. Then I adhere the two ends. I do let them overlap a little bit just so that I can adhere the two ends. You don't have to make them overlap. It's fine. But I was too afraid to cut it again. I'll be honest. I'm not good at cutting a straight line. I was happy that I cut this straight line. So there we go. All right. So we're going to just make sure that this gets really adhered. Then we're going to cover the cup with more glitter glue. It's going to take a bit. Yes, you can use Mod Podge if you wanted. It's just going to take whatever you use, fabric absorb stuff. So the first 2 layers, and I do 2 layers of this. You put that on, let it dry for 2 hours. Then we're going to do it again. And the reason why is because this is kind of like sets the stage for the next stage, which is where we're going to put the pretty shiny stuff on. So there's that. Okay. 2 hours in between each coat. Here it is after the 2 layers. Next, we're going to use Crystalax Grand Finale, and I'm going to put this on. You'll see I can use my finger. It's non-toxic. I love it. And you'll also see that I am using the Dollar Tree cup turner, and it's awful. It was awful. But anyways. Okay, so we're going to do a layer of this, wait 2 hours. Then we're going to do, and you'll see here, this is what it looks after 2 hours. Then I abandoned that and went to my cup turner. And then I'm going to do another layer, wait 2 hours. I did this for 3 layers total. And you'll see I use my hand because I love it. But here you can, I'm just showing you on my cup turner, you can use, I use a makeup brush, and you can use that as well if you prefer. Let it wait 2 hours in between each coat. Then I sand it so that all of the nubbies are down, wipe it down. Then I printed this Squeeze the Day on vinyl. It's permanent vinyl. Here I'm using the Dollar Tree transfer tape, which is also awful. I don't like that either. I use contact paper and I swear by it. It's awesome. But anyways, I'm adding the vinyl to it. And then after we do the vinyl, we're going to go back to doing Crystalac. Now, can you use dishwasher safe Mod Podge for all of this? Yes, but you're not going to get this super shine that you're going to see at the end. It's crazy awesome. So here we go again. We're going to do, I did 3 more layers of Crystalac, let it dry in between 3 layers, and then I sand it again. Just because I wanted it super smooth. So I sand it and then wipe it down. Then we're going to do another, I know this sounds like a lot, but it's another 3 layers of Crystalac Grand Finale with 2 hours in between. But friends, it's worth it. Look at this. It is like glass. It is so pretty, so shiny and smooth. Is it a lot of effort? A little bit, not a ton though. We're not digging a ditch here. It's so pretty and it's so worth it in the end. I'm just inviting you friends to consider trying it. I know it's a bit, but what an amazing gift it would make. I'm just saying. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.